Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today I'm back at this client's apartment where I did the truck, and I've done a sort of tube tunnel with a tube train coming through. This video is just going to be a quick video just documenting what I'm doing. You can see I've got a tube train coming through the tunnel down here. It's on the door going to the bathroom, so it's hidden the doorway with the tunnel. And then we've got an acid house face smiley emoji which says drop acid, not bombs. And then over here we're going to have some graffiti lettering that says love with the peace sign in it. It's a very hippie kind of rave 90s culture. And then in this room, the main room where the truck piece is, over in the corner behind me, we're going to have a shadow, a scary kind of ghost shadow in the corner. And on top of that, I'm going to spray some glow-in-the-dark paint. So it's going to be a paint review. We're going to try a few different types of paint, like transparent, glow-in-the-dark, neon, that sort of thing. So these are the paints we're going to be using. I bought these fluorescent loop from Alfresco in Cambridge. They've got an online shop. They also sold me this Montana night glow. So we're going to be testing this out, and they've just released an orange Montana night glow. So I don't know where I'll use the orange, but we're going to test it out in places and use some new cans. I've also been using a transparent over here. So this is a transparent black done by Loop. See, I've done the shadow here and it looks good from this perspective, looking at it head on into the corner. It changes slightly if you move over here. It doesn't have the same impact. It looks a bit more alien-y over here. And over here it changes, so at different points in the room it's going to look different. You can see like the arms stretching out, but it's supposed to sort of look cool from different angles, and this is the best view looking into the corner from over here. The client said that I could help myself to Red Bulls if I like, so just got Red Bulls on tap. We've got a load of Red Bulls in there and some Cokes and even some Prosecco maybe at the end of the job. Extractor fan on. So at this point I've got the main dark patch of the shadow filled in with a normal Loop black. Now I'm going to go over it with a transparent and just sort of soften the shadow around the edges, make it more shadow like, mist it down, fade it down, and then yeah, it's done. Let that dry, and I'm going to apply a Montana green glow in the dark over the top of it. So yeah, I've got the transparent on. It's added a real nice soft kind of fade That was the loop transparent. Imagine this behind the sofa, like you're sitting on the sofa and this coming up behind you. Be quite a nice thing. It'd be like a horror kind of feel to it, or an alien type feel. So anyway, the next stage is I'm going to run a heat gun over it, cure the paint, make sure it's nice and dry, then add a glow in the dark green, which will be transparent, so you won't see it in the daytime, but when you turn the lights off, this should glow green. So this UV stuff is pretty cool. I'm using a UV torch and you can draw onto it. So if I show you now, I'll flip the camera around. You see it's normal. Then if I go up close with my torch, I can do tags. Ghost tags. Pretty cool. Do like little eyes. Really cool. It just charges up. You see, hold the light on it, you see the green starting to form. Take the light away. Really cool. So I'm now using some fluoro loop colours, just going over the original piece, using a bit of blue, and then I'm going to use some fluoro red on the tube. Okay guys, so we've reached the end of the video. I know this has only been a short video, but it was really just looking at the paint and giving it a bit of a review. I really enjoyed using the Montana Night Glow. You can draw on it and it's invisible in the daylight, so you wouldn't even know it was on there until you switch the lights off. And then I've used the fluoro and just made parts of the piece on this wall pop, and I've added some stencils and whatnot in there at the client's request. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out some of my other videos and see some of the work that I've done here for this client previously. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.
Microchip is in, but it needs registering. So all the details on here. Okay. To do that. Vaccinations, obviously you've not. No, I put them on. Right, let me go and get it. I've done two that had your puppy's not been.
Stop stressing. You want to go back in?
No.
They're like, where are you going? video for a setter.
In a quarter of a mile,